Hello, my name is Luke, and today we are having a race. I have recorded myself trying to find the cell that's giving the result of this formula in two different ways. In one screen, I'm using FormulaChop, and in the other screen, I'm doing it by hand. And I've tried my best when doing it by hand to do it as fast as I can. Ready, set, go. Okay, so in FormulaChop, I've run FormulaChop on the formula, and I found the result in a column, and I'm already done. I found the number in one of the columns of precedence, and I clicked a link, and I've already found it. So when I'm doing it by hand, I'm trying to figure out, which case in the if condition I'm in. I think I figured out that it's the false case. So now I'm looking at this match function. Okay, and I'm looking at the index function. So it seems like it's looking up a month in the inputs tab. Okay, so I've found the column of months. There it is. All right, so I know that I'm trying to find which column is the one that's getting pulled out by index. So it looks like it's column D, and there it is, I found the answer. So you can see that FormulaChop is not only faster than doing things by hand, it is many, many, many times faster than doing them by hand. And this is one of the big reasons why I use FormulaChop when I use Excel, and why I think you should too. Now let's watch a slow motion replay of how FormulaChop was able to find that cell so quickly. So I click the chop button to run chop. It creates this new tab. I see the value that's the final value in this pink column, and I click a link that takes me right to it. FormulaChop makes it very easy to find precedents, and especially to find the one precedent that is giving the final result of a formula.